Find the product of the two rational numbers, number 12, which is just to evaluate. When we multiply, the rule that the class mentioned is that we can just multiply across the fraction. Okay, so the top will multiply to the top, the numerator will multiply to the numerator, and the bottom will multiply to the bottom. So let's do that. Zoom in so we could get a better look. So the top value here is going to be 1 multiplied by 3, and the bottom is going to be 5 multiplied by 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 5 is 25. That would be it. So we're just multiplying across. B, we have 3 over 5 times 7 over 10. You don't care about the denominator. You can just multiply across when you're multiplying fractions. So 3 times 7, and the bottom is 5 times 10. 3 times 7 is 21. 5 times 10 is 50. You can no longer simplify this. Next, this negative here, I can just put it to the top value. Then we have negative 5 times 5, and the bottom number is 6 times 2. Negative 5 times 5, which is negative 25. The bottom value, 6 times 2, is 12. There you go. So that is it for multiplying two rational numbers. All we have to do is multiply across the fraction.